Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make Canva templates to sell on Etsy. Creating Canva templates and selling them on Etsy is definitely a good way to make some passive income online. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Etsy and there are quite a few persons that are doing this and they are making a good amount of money daily. So I'll be showing you how to do that. You can see this listing right here. They offer 50 Instagram post templates and they are selling them for $2.41. And you can see that over 20 persons at the moment are in the process of ordering this listing. And by scrolling down, you can see an example of how it looks. So basically, a Canva template is just a pre-done template that you will be selling persons, and persons can go onto it and they'll be able to edit it to their liking. So let me show you what I mean. So you'll need to go onto canva.com and you're going to create an account. To create an account on Canva is completely free. After you have created your account, I want you to tap on social media right below the search bar. After doing that, you can select the social media platform that you would like to create your templates for. So let's say, for example, we were to select Instagram and we're going to be selling templates for Instagram story. So you're going to tap on create right where you see Instagram story. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On a new page, you're going to see a blank page right here, and you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. You're first going to need to select the niche that you're creating templates for. So for example, let's say you want to create templates for the finance niche. So persons that have a finance page on Instagram, they'll be your target audience. You're going to tap on design in the top left hand corner. Then you'll tap on the search bar and you could type in finance. After typing in finance, you'll see some sample templates that you could use, and you'll also see some sub niches that you can select from. You can simply drag and place one of these sample templates. After you have done that, you will see some more suggestions, and you can also edit this. So you can edit the text, you can edit the color, you can also edit the image. You can tap right on the text right there and you could type in a different text. You can also change the font style and so on if you wanted to. But for the sake of saving time, I'll leave it as is. After you have done that, you could tap on add page right below that, as I'm going to be creating 4 different examples. So I'll tap on add page. Then from there, I'm going to be using this example. So I'll drag and place it right there. And one thing that I've found that a lot of persons tend to do, they tend to, for example, like you a color. So you can make your theme a particular color. So if you want to do that, you can by changing the background color or so on. Or you could make all of your templates one particular text font style. So it all depends. You can customize it in different ways so that yours will stand out. You can tap on add page once more, and from there we could go back. Then let's say we were to select investing and see some. Let's say we were to select investing and see the suggestions. You can scroll down, and for example, let's say you like to use this video. You could simply drag and place it so you can see it right there. So now that we have 1, 2, 3 pages, all you'll need to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner. After tapping on share, instead of selecting download, you're going to scroll down, and right where you see collaboration link, you're going to tap right there and you will see anyone with the link. You're going to tap on that. After selecting that, you can see design with anyone. You can tap on the X, then you will see can edit. You're going to select that and you're going to tap on copy link. After the link has been copied, you could open up, for example, Google Docs or any other note platform that you use. So let me open up Google Docs real quick, and you're going to simply paste that link. So you want to save the link right here. So let me do that real quick. So I'll open up. So we're going to be downloading page 1 and page 2. So all you'll need to do, right where you see page 1, you're going to tap on that. Then from there, we're going to change the file type. So we're going to tap on file type, and we're going to select PNG. Then you're going to tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to do the same thing for page 2. So you'll go to share at the top right here. Then from there, you'll scroll down, select download, and again, you're going to tap on page. Then you're going to select page 2 so you can untick the other pages. After you have done that, you'll tap on done. Then you're going to select MP4, and we're going to be selecting PNG once more. So let's do that. Then you're going to tap on download. Now that you have done that, you'll need to go back. So we'll do that real quick. You're going to tap right where you see apps. After selecting apps, you're going to tap on mockups, since we are creating our mockup for our Etsy listing, and we're going to select smartphones. After selecting smartphones, you can scroll down and you can see the different mockups that you can use. So let's say, for example, we would like to use this mockup. Let me scroll down and I'll show you one. You could use this one that shows someone looking on their iPhone, or you can choose this one right here. It all depends on the one that you want to use. You can see different options, but I'll use this one for example's sake. Then you're going to tap on select. After you have tapped on select, you can see upload image, and you're going to upload one of the images that you had downloaded earlier. Tap on upload right here. After selecting upload, you're going to tap on the image that we had downloaded earlier from Canva. Then you're going to select the image. So this is it. After filling in the listing information, you're going to scroll down. So let's scroll all the way down, as we're going to be adding our product. So you can set the price right there. And from here, you're going to tap right where you see upload digital file. But before doing that, you're going to go back onto Canva, and I want you to create a blank page. So you can simply tap on add page, and you're going to go into the docs or the note app that you use to paste the code that I told you earlier on in the tutorial, and you're going to copy the code. So let's copy that code real quick. Then we're going to go back into Canva, and from here you can simply tap on text from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on add a heading, and you want to select the link icon. After selecting the link icon, you're going to simply paste in the link. In fact, we could change the text. So let's change the text real quick. So click here. You can see right there. After changing the text, we're going to select the entire thing. Then we want to ensure that the link is correct. You can see that it is. So you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share, then scroll down, and you're going to select download. After selecting download, you want to change the file type to PDF. So you want to select PDF. Then we're going to unselect all pages, and we're only going to select the new page, which is page 3. Then tap on download. After selecting download, you're going to go back into your listing, and you're going to tap on upload file. So this is the file that persons will receive once they have completed their purchase. So we'll tap right here, and we're going to simply name it. Tap on upload, and you can see it right there. So for example, if we were to tap on it at the moment, you will realize that a PDF has now opened up, and if we were to select the PDF just for example's sake, you can see it right here, and if we were to tap on it, it is going to automatically carry us back to the Canva template. So this is what our customers will receive. After you have done that, you can tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner.